9-year-old Sophia loved helping in the kitchen. She dreamed of being a great chef like her grandmother, Nonna Maria, whose dishes were famous in their family. One Saturday morning, Sophia's parents announced exciting news. "Tonight, we're having a big family dinner," Mom said. "And Sophia, you get to help make Nonna Maria's secret family recipe, her famous love pasta." Sophia's eyes widened. Nonna's love pasta was the most delicious dish ever. But there was a problem. Nonna Maria never wrote down the recipe. "How will I know what to do?" Sophia asked. Nonna Maria winked. "Cooking with love is more than just following instructions. You must listen, taste, and feel the food. Let's begin." Step 1. The secret sauce. Nonna handed Sophia a basket of fresh tomatoes, basil, and garlic. "First, we make the sauce." "But not just any sauce," Nonna said. "We must sing while we stir. The food feels our joy." Sophia giggled as she stirred the tomatoes, humming her favorite tune. Soon, the sauce bubbled with a rich, delicious smell. Step 2. The perfect pasta. Next, Nonna showed Sophia how to make fresh pasta dough from flour, eggs, and a pinch of salt. "Now, knead the dough like you're giving it a warm hug," Nonna instructed. Sophia pressed and folded the dough gently. "It's soft, like a pillow," she said. "That's because you're putting love into it," Nonna smiled. Step 3. A sprinkle of family magic. As the pasta cooked and the sauce simmered, Sophia asked, "Nonna, why is it called love pasta?" Nonna Maria smiled. "Because food tastes better when it's made with love. It's not just about the ingredients, it's about the people we cook for and the memories we create together." Finally, they mixed the pasta with the sauce, added a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, and placed it on the family table. That evening, as everyone took their first bite, Sophia watched their faces light up. "This is the best love pasta yet," Dad said. "Did you add something special?" Mom asked. Sophia grinned. "Yes. A whole lot of love." Nonna Maria winked. "Then you've learned the most important recipe of all. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.